Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Monzo. Is it a good card to have? Well, that's a question I get asked a lot, and I'm here to give you my honest opinion. I've been using Monzo for a few years now, and I've been really impressed with it. It's a great card for everyday spending, and it has a lot of features that I find really useful. So, let's get started. Body. What is Monzo? Monzo is a challenger bank that offers a range of financial products, including current accounts, debit cards, and overdrafts. It's a relatively new bank, but it's already gained a lot of popularity thanks to its innovative products and competitive pricing. Monzo cards are made of metal and have a sleek design. They're also contactless, so you can tap them to pay for things instead of having to insert them into a card reader. Monzo also has a great app that makes it easy to track your spending and manage your money. You can see your transactions in real time, set up budgets, and get notifications when you spend money. Features of Monzo. Here are some of the features that I find most useful about Monzo. Free spending abroad. You can use your Monzo card to spend in over 150 countries without any fees. Cashback. You can get cashback on your spending at certain retailers. Roundups. You can round up your purchases to the nearest pound and the difference will be saved into a pot. Split bills. You can easily split bills with your friends using the Monzo app. Overdraft. You can set up an overdraft, but you'll only be charged interest on the amount you use. Savings pots. You can create savings pots for different goals, such as a holiday or a new car. Pros and cons of Monzo. Pros. Free spending abroad. Cashback. Roundups. Split bills. Overdraft. Savings pots. Sleek design. Easy to use app. Cons. No physical branches. Limited customer service hours. Not as widely accepted as some other debit cards. Is Monzo a good card to have? Overall, I think Monzo is a great card to have, especially if you're a young person who travels a lot or spends a lot online. It's also a good option if you're looking for a card with a lot of features and competitive pricing. However, Monzo may not be the best option for everyone. If you're looking for a card that's widely accepted, or if you need access to a physical branch, you may want to consider another option. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to get a Monzo card is up to you. I hope this article has helped you to make an informed decision. Conclusion. In conclusion, Monzo is a great card to have, with a lot of features that I find really useful. However, it may not be the best option for everyone. If you're looking for a card that's widely accepted, or if you need access to a physical branch, you may want to consider another option. I hope this article has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Additional tips. If you're thinking about getting a Monzo card, I recommend reading some reviews online first. You can also compare Monzo to other cards to see which one is the best fit for you. Once you've decided to get a Monzo card, you can apply online or in-app. Once your card is approved, you'll be able to start using it immediately. I hope this helps. Thanks for reading. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.